Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another artist vlog. This week was kind of heavy for me. This is a completely realistic week in my life. I'm just going to cut right to it. I just want to show you that you don't always have to show up being perfect. Yeah, welcome to the vlog. Cheers. It's like really early. I'm really not sure whether to be scared or just it could be nothing. And I'm gonna head to the hospital. Just like really low energy. Just want to kind of share like these kind of things because this is real life. And yeah. So I'm gonna go in now. Okay, I did it. It wasn't that bad. Let's just go get some breakfast. This is real life. This is such a real vlog. I need a little bit of a distraction right now.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Hi, can I get a plain bagel toasted with butter and cream cheese? And then also a medium vanilla cream cold brew?
Straw?
Yes, please. I have my bagel and my coffee. I feel a little better now. I'm going to distract myself by going shopping. Nothing new here. I normally just get a plain bagel toasted with butter and cream cheese. Like, I'm a basic girly, okay? Sue me. I want to spread awareness for especially young women like that are scared to get their health checked, because when I went in there I was literally shaking. Like, I'm literally having panic attack symptoms. I just know I need to get it done. I've waited far too long to even get it checked, and I just want you guys to know that your health is really important. And if you feel a lump in your breast, go. The ultrasound honestly is not as bad as I was making it out to be. I should get results back soon. Life isn't always going to be a straight line, and that's fine. Look how good this looks. Sorry. But this looks delish. If you don't love a bagel with cream cheese, then I don't know. Okay, it's so cold here in Canada right now. Oh my god, it's been so nice out, and then all of a sudden it's just like super cold. But I didn't really get much. I literally got 2 pots, some seeds, and like already pre-grown little mini onions, because they grow really easy. So I'm just gonna do that. That's it for now. We'll check back in later. Okay, hello artist vlog. We're doing a little check-in because I have some fun brand sponsorships that I'm going to be working on, and I love putting these in my artist vlogs for YouTube because it's just such a personal like experience. I don't know. I don't really want to film like these unboxings and do long tangents on my regular social media, just because like I feel like YouTube is just such like a behind the scenes platform. So that's what we're doing here today. Also, I think I wore this sweater in the last artist vlog, but sorry, I have a washer and dryer. You guys see me work on the little eggs, but other than that, I haven't really been sculpting that much. I've been doing a lot of painting and drawing. This company reached out to me through the one platform that I work through, and it's really cool. So let's just open this up. Guys, these are so cool. Look, the brand. And their glasses. They just sent it to me so that I could feature them in a video or something. This was a gifted collab, so I didn't get paid for this. I just get the product, which is really cool. Sometimes you can say yes or no. You don't even have to do this, but like if you want the product or you want to try it out or something, then you can say yes to it. This is really cool. I'm probably going to feature these in like in one of my new series videos of me sketching in my car. See the world in a different light. This is really cool. Oh my gosh, little stickers. Okay, this is the case they come in. Very, very nice. Ta-da. Okay, gorgeous. Whoa. Smells weird. Whoa. They look really cute. They're definitely cute. I don't know if I can color change them right now. They're literally color change glasses. It's crazy. But I'm going to charge them.
Okay, so while I let the sunglasses charge, I'm going to show you something that I'm really excited about. May just look like an ordinary phone, but I'm actually working with Samsung. Guys, that's crazy to me. Like, coming from just being a small little polymer clay artist to literally working with one of the biggest phone brands. You don't understand how excited I am to make this video. Like, this is going to be so fun. Like, what is this, you may ask? A whole damn pen. What? A whole pen, guys. This is an artist's dream here, okay? I'm not even getting paid to say any of this in this video. For anything I show you in my YouTube videos, guys, nothing is sponsored whatsoever. Like,
that girl is a runner. She was born to get away. Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine.
hello, voiceover Megan here, and I kind of wanted to share a little note at the end of this vlog. This week felt a little heavier than I expected. There was a lot on my mind. And some of it I shared, and some of it I'm still processing quietly. I think I'm learning that life doesn't really slow down when you're going through something, especially as a self employed artist. I think like you still have work, you have moments of joy, random errands, little wins, and it kind of all mixes together with the hard stuff. And I didn't want to only share one side of that. I shared what felt right and what I thought would help someone else that would feel kind of alone in the dark times, but also what still feels like my life and what feels like part of me. Because even in the weeks that feel overwhelming, there are still small moments that ground you and remind you who you are. And for me, that's creating, sketching, drawing, taking photos, videos throughout the week. That really helps me ground myself and brings me back to what feels like me. I don't have everything figured out right now, but I'm giving myself space to move through it instead of rushing past it. And I think this is just a beginning of a shift for me. I think a bit of a mindset shift and just a bit of an eye opening situations that have been happening to me recently. So I think we're in the future going to be having a bit of a glow up era, I think. So expect maybe hint hint a glow up vlog coming soon. I hope you love this video and you could relate to it in some sort of way. I love you. Like this video, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. All right, love you. Goodbye.